Hello, and welcome to a new week. Okay, so this is going to be a quick one. So, first, this week is a special week because this is the first week of March, and in March, this week we're gonna be expecting NFP. We're going to be expecting quite a number of high-profile news, as it were. So, there's so much to look forward to. If you just look at the calendar, what we have here, let's see. So, this week, March 3rd to March 9th. Wondering why this is not loading. Let's just chill a second and see here. Primary listing. Okay. We do have a few things listed here. So here we go. So let's see all the categories, everything we need. But for the filters, let's say, where do we filter with trading view? Do we have a filter that allows us to limit this to just maybe high profile news? I can't find anything like that there. Okay, trading view, that's feedback for you. So this week we're going to be expecting on Friday, as you can see here, non-farm payrolls. So that's one of the things we're expecting. Major news we're expecting this week. And we're going to see how all of that plays out. Anyways, but when the market opened, on Sunday for this week, we have, this large gap that the market has created. So ideally, the market has to fill this gap, okay? And already we have this position here anticipating, the move that will eventually bring the market to actually fill this gap. Now, this may happen immediately, just maybe a few hours from now, or this might actually take some time before it fills the gap. We just hope that it doesn't take us out before eventually coming, dropping to fill the gap. So, but if we just look at in terms of my weekly outlook for EU, so looking at what we have here, initially we had, this bullish structure where price, tapped into this demand zone and then started pushing out. However, when price came to this area here, you can see it failed to close above this high, to tap into this guy here. So now we have this sell, and this sell has created for us, a bearish order flow, in my opinion. So now with this in place, there's also the tendency, of course, to expect that the market may decide to push, a little higher because we have this imbalance here. We have the supply zone, before dropping. But my personal outlook is that the market is going to drop, and I'm going to tell you why. One, on the 15 minutes, we see here that we have this gap that the market has created. The market has a responsibility, and I use the word responsibility, to feel that imbalance, that inconsistency, depending on the word anyone uses. So now we have the 4-hour. This is the new 4-hour chart that I just started printing out. So I'm expecting this to really drop, and then if this actually does drop, in other words, going into the week, we might be seeing a stronger dollar. Okay. Put it in context, everything that has been happening over the weekend, Ukraine, Zelensky, Trump, and everything, basically the Bitcoin reserve that Trump just announced, and all of those things, for me, it's an indication of a stronger US economy that is to come. And usually the market will just flow in the direction of a strong US economy. So I'm expecting a drop really playing out this week. That's my opinion anyway. So and that's what I'm looking forward to. Of course, nothing stops the market from pushing higher before we drop down, but my outlook is really a bearish move. So that is what I'm looking forward to, on EU. Gold, on the other hand, also we do have gold. Gold has been bearish from last week, so this may actually continue going into this week. And basically we have the structure here that gold may sell off. Before going long, I would want to see more price action. If price happens to take out this high, then my bias for a bearish gold this week is going to change from bearish to bullish. So but we'll see how all of that plays out going into this week. So for me, I wish all the best as we look forward to what the market is going to give us this week. I'm looking forward to a bearish market, like I mentioned, and we'll see if my bias actually does work going into this new week. But looking at market, if I just zoom out right now, there's a lot of opportunity for EU to actually sell, considering EU has been bullish for a while and now consolidated around here, and now we have this bearish order flow that has built up. So as a matter of fact, this might just be the beginning. Might be seeing a massive, massive, massive drop to these levels. So let's see how all of this plays out as the week builds up. All right, so I hope this is beneficial to you. If this is the first time you're listening to my video, please, and if this is beneficial to you, of course, please hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment, like, because this encourages me to drop more videos like this. And also, if you want to join the program, you see a lot of all the necessary links, useful links that you would need in the description section. And if you do join the Discord channel, we would see there. And also, if you join the program, of course, we would have interactions and also discuss trade ideas in the mentorship program. So hey, I look forward to seeing you some other time. I wish you all the best, and remember to stay stuck in profit. Bye bye and cheers.